Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Today, we're diving deep into Bitcoin's price action over the past 24 hours. Let's get started with what's been happening. On the hourly chart, Bitcoin has been oscillating around the $63,000 mark. We saw a slight dip to $62,350, but it quickly recovered, showing resilience. The price has been flirting with both the 64.1K and 62.5K lines, indicating a tug-of-war between bulls and bears. Currently, we're seeing a green dot on the hourly, but a doji candle which shows the market isn't really ready for a prolonged uptrend just yet. Zooming out to the 4-hour chart, Bitcoin's been consolidating within a tight range. The price action here shows a couple of doji candles, signaling indecision in the market. However, the overall trend remains bullish with the price above the 21 EMA and a fresh green dot, which is a strong bullish indicator. We're looking for a breakout either way, but for now, the market seems to be taking a breather. On the daily chart, Bitcoin's performance is quite telling. After a slight dip to around 62.5K, we've seen a recovery pushing towards 63.7K. This movement indicates that the support levels are holding firm, and the market sentiment is still predominantly bullish. The RSI is hovering around the 60s, not overbought yet, suggesting there might be room for more upward movement. From a weekly perspective, Bitcoin's chart paints a picture of continued strength. So far, we've had a bullish candle with a green dot on the weekly on the wave trend. This weekly chart suggests that the long-term trend is still very much in favor of the bulls. Over the past day, sentiment seems mixed, with some pointing out a slight decrease, while others highlight the resilience and potential for growth. Interestingly, there was a mention of over $200 million in liquidations, predominantly short positions, which might suggest a market squeeze favoring the bulls. The heat map currently indicates a potential dip towards $62,200, which could trigger the liquidation of approximately $37 million in long positions. This could serve as a short-term correction before any further upward movements. Given the current market conditions, I've decided to stay on the sidelines for now. After closing my previous long position, I'm watching for a clear breakout or breakdown from this consolidation phase. If Bitcoin breaks above $63,500 convincingly, I might consider adding to my other long position, which is still open from 64K. But for now, it's all about patience and waiting for the right setup. Bitcoin's price over the last 24 hours shows a market in consolidation with a slightly bullish bias. While there's potential for further gains, traders should be cautious of potential pullbacks, especially around the $62,200 mark as suggested by the heat map. Always keep an eye on key support and resistance levels and manage your risk accordingly. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and hit the bell icon for more real-time analysis. Drop your thoughts or any questions in the comments below, and see you in the next one.